Hi, I'm Allie Gill,
And I'm Jason Gill.
and we're Norwex Independent Sales Consultants. Today we're going to show you a quick demo with toothpaste on a mirror, and it's to simulate a problem that everybody has in their household, toothpaste splatter on their bathroom mirrors. We're going to show you how quickly an EnviroCloth and a window cloth can take care of that mess. So I'm going to start by smearing. Now, of course, you would have splatters, not smear. But to allow you to be able to see it better, we're going to smear that on there. And then you want to have a damp EnviroCloth folded into quarters. And if you wish, you can even fold it again, or you can have it this way. You want to hold it flat, and you can see how quickly it gets the grimy mess off of there, and you can see it picks it up. And if you want to finish it off with a clean side, now I'm going to follow with a dry and window cloth. This is a polishing cloth to leave a streak-free shine. Just like that, it's clean and it's very safe for your family. Just microfiber and water is all you need. Thank you so much for watching.